Now let's dive a little deeper into how an ecosystem functions. An ecosystem is made up of three main groups of organisms. The first group is the producers, which are mainly green plants. Producers make their own food through photosynthesis by using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water, and they form the foundation of every ecosystem. The second group is the consumers. These are animals that cannot make their own food, so they obtain energy by feeding on plants or other animals. Depending on what they eat, consumers may be herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores. For example, a catfish may act as a secondary consumer by feeding on other animals. The third group is the decomposers, which include fungi and bacteria. These organisms break down dead plants, dead animals, and waste materials. During decomposition, nutrients are released back into the soil or water, where they can be absorbed again by plants. So, how does an ecosystem work? Plants capture sunlight and use it to produce food through photosynthesis. Animals obtain this stored energy by eating plants or other animals. When organisms die or produce waste, decomposers break down the organic matter and recycle the nutrients back into the environment. These nutrients are then taken up by plants once again, creating a continuous cycle that makes the ecosystem self-sustaining. Another important point to remember is that organisms are not distributed evenly within an ecosystem. Instead, they live in habitats that best suit their needs and way of life. For example, bottom-feeding fish such as rays and flatfish live near the seabed, while surface-feeding fish such as sardines and mackerel stay close to the water surface. Snails are commonly found on plants, limpets live attached to rocks, and some species of seaweed can survive only in aquatic environments. These examples show that different organisms occupy different habitats according to the conditions that are most suitable for their survival.